Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another unboxing video series, One Take Wonders. This is kind of an unboxing but an up close details video at the same time because showing you what I'm going to show you from the chair just doesn't really work. You got to kind of see it close up. So you've obviously seen the photo and the cover image, so we're going to be looking at some shirts. If you're a shoe lover, chances are you like shirts too. I love shirts and I love all kinds of shirts with all different colors. I like to look Peaky Blinder style. Sometimes I like to look, Miami Beach 1970s style. Depending on my mood, depending on the weather, depending on what I want to wear that day, what kind of shoes I'm going to wear with loafers. I like camp collars. I really like popovers these days. Popovers are great when you got a beer belly like that and you don't want these buttons all tight. But at the same time, I like your traditional Oxford shirts, things with button downs, things with tabs collars, things with club collars. I like it all. So I've ordered a few things from a great brand called Yeossal, and I wanted to show you guys what I've ordered. And in case you like those things too, well, now you know where to go. So take a look. All right, here we go with the first beautiful custom shirt that I have by Yeossal. As you can see here, this is the kind of classic dress shirt that I like. A nice spread collar, a white cuff, double barrel with the round edge. Very classic, very simple. I love blues, and I like stripes. So this is the easy classic one that you'll see me wearing quite frequently. And something a little more bold is the tab collar with the now I'm drawing a blank here. The rounded tab collar. This being the tab. Sometimes they call this now I'm forgetting everything that I used to know. A club collar, excuse me. So we have the club style with the tab. Again, I like the double barrel rounded in white. It's kind of my thing. I like a white collar and a white sleeve cuff. As you can see here, these are the kind of classic dress shirts style, something I intend to wear with suits. Both of them, well, actually, one of them being a classic button down all the way, while the other one is a popover. I've really been loving popovers lately. When you're getting that dad bod and you got a little bit of the old beer gut going, this helps to not have the buttons kind of spreading. Even though they're custom, I just prefer to have a nice clean belly area. I'll do it, of course, with something like this because I do wear high trousers as well, so I'm often covered in that regard anyway. All right, here we have a nice kind of, I believe this is called a jersey cotton knit, long sleeve, again, popover. So button down, the one button sleeve is, more casual for me. I don't intend, a lot of times, most likely, I'll roll these up. I will wear this shirt casually because popovers, in my mind, you can dress them up, but I think they're a nice casual shirt that you wear with a jacket sans tie. So I love popovers these days. This is a nice casual material too that I can wear with some jeans or some chinos. Nice pair of suede loafers. Yeah, beautiful. I will probably wear this model a lot. Here is the popover polo, something that Yeossal is quite famous for, with the long kind of spread collar that has just a one button deep down at the bottom part, but nothing up at the top. So this is obviously meant to be worn spread like that. This is a really nice soft cotton, definitely a casual shirt. Again, you could dress it up with a nice seersucker suit, maybe in a navy seersucker suit with this and some brown suede loafers. I think that'd be a great look. Again, this is to be worn smartly, but mainly casually. Obviously casual because there's no tie area and it's a naturally open, deep collar. So beautiful stuff. I love these shirts. Sadly, I used to have them in every color, but I gained too much weight and now I'm trading them all out for new colors. So here goes my newest one. Beautiful shirt by Yeossal. All right, here's something a little different for me with the super long peak button down collars. Like these things are 3 inches long, if not more. I've never had a collar that long, but I thought, you know what? Why not? Let's give it a try. These are casual shirts, so they're actually pop over, short sleeves, button down peak collar there. So I'm going for a lot of different looks here. This one I believe is not quite as pointed, so I went for 2 different sizes just to see which one I prefer in the end. Again, a pop over style, so you know you're not going to be having your buttons all the way down, which I like. Short sleeve, definitely need to break these out now that we're gearing towards the end of summer. I want to get them on and worn ASAP, but I've been waiting to do this video for all of you. So these are some different, some cool. If you like button down and a peak collar, this is pretty cool. You know, you got this super point, old school style, kind of zoot suit era style collar, but I think it's cool. I think it'll look nice on. So stay tuned for those. And the classic camp collar. Now camp shirts you can't do a pop over, so it's all the way buttoned down in this nice kind of light cotton short sleeve. As you can see, again, the beauty of all the Yeossal shirts is that they have so many different base offerings, from camp to club to pop over to classic to a million other styles that I don't even know because I'm not a shirt expert, but I love their offering and how much you can customize it. So again, classic camp collar. This is a very casual summer style shirt. I'm gonna be breaking this out ASAP. So do stay tuned to see how I put these together with my outfit. Thanks as always for tuning in. Bye.